Imagine stepping onto your lawn. It's a beautiful day, the sun is shining, you take a deep breath and smell the fresh air. Your lawn is a beautiful green, it's soft and thick like a carpet. This can be your lawn. With a little care you can have the lawn of your dreams. This guide will show you how. We'll go step by step with DIY with Dad. You'll learn everything you need to know. Soon, you'll be on your way to a perfect lawn. Having a beautiful lawn doesn't happen overnight. It takes planning and some work. But don't worry, it's easier than you think. This guide is your roadmap. We'll start with the basics. You'll learn how to test your soil. This tells you what your lawn needs. Then we'll cover important steps like preparing your soil so grass can grow strong, choosing the best grass seed for your yard, watering your lawn the right way, feeding your lawn with the right nutrients, and mowing to help your grass grow thick and healthy. Follow these steps, and you'll be amazed by the results. Soil is like the foundation of your house. It needs to be strong for your lawn to thrive. That's why soil testing is so important. It tells you what your soil is made of. You'll know if it has enough nutrients for your grass to grow. Testing your soil is easy. You can buy a simple kit at a garden center. Follow the instructions on the kit. It will show you how to collect a small soil sample. Then, send it to a lab for testing. They will send you the results. The results will tell you what your soil needs. Imagine your lawn is like you. It needs to breathe to be healthy. That's where dethatching and aerating come in. Thatch is a layer of dead grass and other stuff that builds up on your lawn. It can choke out your grass. Dethatching removes this layer. You can use a special rake or a machine. Aerating pokes small holes in your soil. This helps air, water, and nutrients reach the roots of your grass. You can rent an aerating machine. This makes the job easier. Not all grass seed is created equal. Different types of grass grow best in different climates. Some need a lot of sun, while others can handle some shade. Think about your yard. How much sun does it get? Is the soil sandy or clay-like? Once you know this, you can choose the best grass seed. Ask the experts at your local garden center for help. They can recommend the right type of grass seed for your yard. Watering your lawn seems simple, right? But there's a right way and a wrong way. Watering too much can be just as bad as not watering enough. The best time to water is early in the morning. Water deeply but not too often. This encourages the roots to grow deep. Deep roots make your lawn stronger. You can use a sprinkler or a soaker hose. Just like us, grass needs food to grow strong and healthy. Fertilizer gives your lawn the nutrients it needs. But be careful. Using too much fertilizer can harm your lawn and the environment. It's best to use organic or slow-release fertilizers. They are gentler on your lawn. Read the instructions on the fertilizer bag carefully. This will tell you how much to use. Mowing your lawn seems like a chore, but it's actually good for your grass. It encourages it to grow thicker. But there's a trick. Don't cut your grass too short. Leave the grass blades about 2 to 3 inches tall. This helps to shade the soil and keep it cool. It also helps to prevent weeds from growing. Make sure your mower blades are sharp. Dull blades can tear the grass. This makes your lawn more susceptible to diseases. Taking care of your lawn isn't just a one-time thing. It needs care throughout the year. Here are a few extra tips. In the spring, rake up any leaves or debris that have accumulated over the winter. In the summer, watch out for weeds and treat them early. In the fall, fertilize your lawn one last time to help it survive the winter. In the winter, avoid walking on your lawn too much, especially when it's frozen. Remember, having a beautiful lawn takes time and patience. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Keep up with these tips. You'll be rewarded with a lush green lawn you can be proud of.